how to turn on two-factor verification in Meta Business Suite account. So if you want to turn this on, you must have full control of the portfolio, or you are logged into the main portfolio that pretty much controls everything. If you don't, it won't show up or you won't have much access to it. But once that is done, you go ahead here to the left side, you find settings, go ahead inside business info, and from here, you are gonna go ahead into your business options. So to do that, just go ahead and scroll down, business options, and two-factor authentication. So from here, you pretty much just set it. You can put it from admins only or through everyone, but that pretty much depends on what you want it as to be. So you can choose when the or who the requirement applies to, admins, so only people with full control can use it. And if you want everyone, then every person or all people with any level of access must use it, and then just confirm your selection. Once enabled, anyone the requirement applies to will be prompted to set up a two-factor authentication on their personal Facebook account before they can access the business portfolio again. And if you turn that on, it will increase security, I suppose. But hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.